You've been cracking your joints for years, but have no idea what's happening inside. Yes, it's satisfying, but what is that sound? Here's what really happens. Your joints are surrounded by a fluid-filled capsule called the synovial fluid that keeps everything moving smoothly and contains dissolved gases, like oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. When you stretch or pull a joint, you rapidly expand the space inside. This drops the pressure, causing those dissolved gases to suddenly form bubbles. That popping sound is called cavitation, the sound of gas bubbles forming. And once it happens, it takes a few minutes for the gases to dissolve back into the fluid again. That's why you can't crack the same joint twice right away. The good news is that cracking your joints is usually harmless. If you want to know why things happen, follow for more.